Imagine this, a massive Amazon fulfillment center. It's past midnight. Hundreds of conveyor belts, glowing robots, mechanical arms, but almost no humans. In complete silence, robotic arms lift, sort, and pack boxes. And in the middle of it all stands one person wearing a yellow vest, just watching. He's not working, he's supervising. By 2033, this won't be fiction. It's Amazon's plan to replace around 600,000 human workers with AI and robotics. That's half of its entire US workforce. But this video isn't really about Amazon. It's about what this means for all of us.
Amazon isn't just a store. It's a global experiment, testing how far we're willing to go in the name of efficiency. Right now, over 750,000 robots work inside Amazon's warehouses, according to Amazon Robotics 2024. And they're not just moving boxes, they're learning. They adapt to human speed, and then, gradually, they outperform it. MIT Sloan recently published research on cobots, collaborative robots working with humans. When people and machines work together, productivity rises by 20%, but when the human is removed, it rises by another 30%. So what choice do you think companies will make?
By the way, if you're trying to understand how AI is changing the way we work, we've built a full library of free prompts and tools, the same ones we use here at SmartAiDigi. You can grab them on our website or just comment the word prompts, and we'll send you the link directly.
In 1913, Henry Ford introduced the moving assembly line. Within 5 years, thousands of workers lost their jobs. But at the same time, hundreds of new roles were born. Electricians, engineers, production managers. A century later, Amazon is doing it again. Only this time, the machine doesn't just build, it thinks. A 2025 Oxford economics report estimates that every industrial robot replaces an average of 1.6 human workers. And according to the World Economic Forum, by 2030, 44% of all jobs worldwide will fundamentally change, not disappear, transform. So the real question isn't, will jobs vanish, but what kind of jobs will remain?
In May 2024, Pew Research asked U.S. employees what they feared most about AI. 58% said they don't fear being fired. They fear that their work will stop mattering. Think about it. You still show up every day, but the tasks you once did by hand are now done by a machine. You're not replaced, you're reduced to a bystander. That's the real danger. Not unemployment, but irrelevance. At Amazon, some workers weren't laid off. They were simply reassigned to monitor the robots doing their former jobs. Harvard Business Review found that anxiety and loneliness in such positions have nearly risen by 30% in just 2 years. The problem isn't technology. It's the human soul, feeling unnecessary.
And it's not just Amazon. JD.com in China already operates fully automated warehouses. In Japan, fleets of delivery robots run entire city networks. And in Germany, 30% of logistics companies have chosen to keep some human workers, just to maintain a sense of trust and control. This isn't only an economic issue, it's an identity issue. If this kind of content helps you see the bigger picture of how AI is reshaping the world, hit subscribe. That's how we know to keep creating deeper videos like this. And meanwhile, check out our video about Prompt Master, where we reveal how to build a smart system that delivers precise results in any GPT chat. The link to the video and to get Prompt Master is waiting for you down in the description.
So what remains for us, really? According to McKinsey's Future of Work 2025, Within 5 years, 1 in 5 jobs will be roles that didn't even exist 5 years ago. The 5 fastest growing fields are AI supervisors, people who manage the algorithms themselves, human experience designers, ensuring digital experiences still feel human, AI governance and ethics, keeping automation fair and accountable, prompt architects, those who speak to AI in its native language, and automation entrepreneurs, creators of autonomous systems that run on their own. Exactly what we're building every day here at SmartAiDigi. And maybe that's the biggest insight of all. We're not supposed to fight AI. We're supposed to grow with it.
Because beneath all the noise, one question remains. What stays human in a world run by machines? We are born with curiosity, with empathy, with intuition. No algorithm truly has that, and that's our last and greatest advantage. AI isn't here to take away our humanity. It's here to test whether we're ready to rediscover it. We live in an era where one line of code can replace a person, but one person can also write a line of code that changes the world. Before you scroll away, ask yourself, are you waiting for the wave or learning to ride it? Watch our next video, the new jobs created by AI that no one talks about. Click the video on your screen and let's see where the future really goes.
Amazon might replace 600,000 workers, but that's not the end of the story. It's just the beginning. Because in the end, it won't be the machines that win. It'll be the humans who learn to use them wisely. And that's exactly what we're here to do together.
Want more game-changing AI tools like this? Hit follow, tag a friend, and drop the word tools in the comments. I'll send you the full list straight to your DMs. Keep pressing pause to grow smarter. See you in the next one.